The Approvals app allows you to define and enforce when something on a ticket needs approval. It allows you to have unlimited approvers that don't need to be agents in Zendesk, and allows for multiple approvals per ticket to be sent off in series, parallel, or a combination of both. Let's walk through an example use case around approving purchasing requests. First, we'll click to add an approval template and give it a name. Next, we set the primary approver and then select the form this template will apply to. If your Zendesk plan doesn't give you access to forms, no problems. You'll be able to specify a tag here instead. Next, you'll be able to select which ticket fields will be sent to the approver for approval. If required, on the right, you can add additional approvers. And finally, click Submit to complete the template. Now let's test it out. We'll create a ticket asking for permission to buy banners for a conference. When we select the purchasing form, notice that the Approvals app pops up, telling you that this ticket now requires approval and shows you which fields need to be filled in. As we fill in the required information, the items in the list get marked off. Finally, we can now select an approver from the drop-down, send it off, and submit the ticket. Once the approval has been sent, you can see on the left that the ticket fields being approved are now locked down so that the information being reviewed is watertight. From an approver's perspective, all they'll need to do is check their email, and they'll be able to approve, decline, or open the approval if escalation is required. Once the approval has been granted, back on the ticket you'll see a comment added to the thread, and it'll be noted in the app like this. Okay, so what if you want to automatically send an approval when the end user submits the ticket? No problems. In the approval template that we just created, we can switch this on by enabling automatic requests. Once we've done that, we can click to create a trigger like this, where we can define the ticket conditions that will fire off the approval. We'll set it for when the ticket is created and the purchasing form has been selected. Now that the trigger has been created, we'll go and submit a ticket via the Help Center as an end user would. Of course, we'll need to fill in the required details of the form like so. And once submitted, back in the agent interface, we'll check what's happened. As you can see, a ticket has just been received in the purchasing view, and in the ticket on the right, you can see that the approval has automatically already been sent off based on the conditions in the trigger that we just created. And that is how easy it is to use the Approvals app, and it can be applied to just about any use case you can think of. It also comes with a 14-day free trial, so install it risk-free from the app marketplace today.